Hello and welcome to another quick update about Crypto.com. Just want to give you an update about where we are. We've got the fibs here on the chart and we can identify them as key support and resistance levels here on the CRO chart. So this is CRO USDT on KuCoin. This is where the prices come from for our chart. We have all the way come up to, well, nearly $1. This is where we found massive resistance, pretty much expected. It was a key psychological level. From there, we obviously dropped when Bitcoin was dropping as well. First of all, here found support at the first level, the 0.382 fib level at 64 cents. Key support. Since then, obviously, we've moved between the 0.214 and the 0.382 fib level between 64 and 78 cents. Then, very recently here, this was a couple of days ago, we dropped below the 20-day moving average, which is currently sitting at around 65 cents. You can see that line in teal here, 20-day moving average, key support. Dropped below that, rushed one level down on the fib scale. Currently finding support here at the 0.5 fib level at 53 cents. As you can see, a very relevant fib level. There you go. Support, support, support here, and support here. Now we can also identify this ascending trend line, which is still at play. You can see that here, starting on the 10th of November, and providing support here, 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 at least 4 to 5 touch points. As long as we stay above that, I think there's no need to worry. If we drop below that, then obviously that is a sell signal. Anybody who wants to set a stop loss could do that at some point here below that level. That's up to you. I can't tell you to buy or not to buy. That is up to you. I can only give you my my view here on this the coin. You know, this is no financial advice. Please always bear that in mind. If we drop one step lower, we come to the 0.618 fib level at 43 cents. And we would then also drop below that ascending trend line. That would indicate that our uptrend is broken and then we're heading into a downtrend. Now, at the moment, we've got two bullish signs here. I mean, we've got this ascending trend line and we've got this descending wedge within which we are currently trading. This descending wedge is generally considered a bullish pattern, would possibly normally rather break out to the upside than to the downside. I do expect it, to be honest, to break to the upside because I would expect Bitcoin to go higher from here before it will go down further. And I did explain that in my Bitcoin video. Therefore, I would expect CRO as well to go up from here, first of all, yeah, following Bitcoin pretty much. So that is why I would expect here a breakout. And, you know, whoever wants to trade that breakout, you can see that descending wedge here. And if we break here to the upside, this would be a key support level at above, 64 cents. I would say above 64 cents because then we also break above that fib level here, the 0.382 fib level. That would be a very important level, and then the next target would be 78 cents. However, should we really break down from here, it could mean that we will still remain in this descending wedge, but we've then broken the uptrend, and it would make it, in my view, less likely that we continue to go up from here. I think then we would rather probably break to the downside. That would be my expectation. Down here we've got the 50-day moving average at 42 cents. That's very close to the 0.618 fib level at 43 cents as well. So this is a key support, next key support. This will be our main support if we drop down from here. Overall, a very strong project in my view, a lot of marketing going on, and this is what is so important in the crypto market. I think after this whole mess, we can see that Crypto.com or CRO retraced or, recovered really fast. And I think this is going to continue. It will continue to perform really well. We've got currently just a pullback here to this trend line, and we need to wait how the price reacts to this. At the moment, we've got a positive reaction, meaning that we've actually got a good reaction. It's reacting to that support level, and we've got this descending wedge. My expectation would be to go up from here. Also because we have here on the 4-hour chart a lot of scope here still to move up, and on the MACD I think we are going to see here a buy signal on the 4-hour MACD. Yeah, we probably had a reversal here and we are just above. If we see a little bit of a spike here, we're going to get a buy signal here on the 4-hour chart of the MACD. The daily though indicates actually further price drops going forward. And this all depends on how is now this level holding. Is it holding? Is it not holding? My view would be, because I do expect Bitcoin to go up from here also with regards to the CME gap, which should be favorable for Bitcoin this week, meaning if the gap is closed, the price for Bitcoin should go up. And I would say that this probably will have a positive impact on Crypto.com as well. Purely looking at the price, however, I don't really see a slowdown of the downtrend, but I would trust here that Bitcoin will go up from here. And again, I did explain that in the Bitcoin video. Go up from here in a basically continuous move to the upside before we then at some point reverse and go down further. So here for Crypto.com, I would personally expect a breakout here to the upside. Can't, however, looking at the indicators here, if we break that level here at 53 cents, then we will go down to the 0.618. That is pretty much, not guaranteed, nothing is guaranteed, but you can expect that we then hit the 0.618 should we go down here from. So it's really a tipping point here for Crypto.com that could determine how the price is going to move in the next week. Do we continue to trade here above this trend line? And you can track that. At the moment, it would be too risky for me to buy now. I would want to see how is the price going to react from here. Are we continuing? Do we see some green candles emerging from here? Or do we just go through here? At the moment, the price is just doing nothing, probably just waiting. Really not moving at all here at the moment. But the candles itself, the price action and the MACD here on the daily don't really look that good. But I would say personally still that we move up from here, basically because we've got a very strong trend line here. And I think we will see Bitcoin going up due to the CME gap, and also that is what my Elliott wave count on the Bitcoin chart indicates. Overall, long term, I see Crypto.com at $1.50, $2 even, and there's no reason why this couldn't be further up, getting into the top 10 and then being further up. And where is it actually at the moment? Let's take a quick look before we finish the video. It is currently here at rank 14. There's no reason why it couldn't be higher. As one of the main crypto apps and exchanges, I think it could be much higher. So strong project, and still everybody who wanted to get into it, if you look into the long term, I think it's a very strong project going forward, definitely due to the marketing, but they clearly have a vision here, and due to the marketing, everybody who found it too expensive to buy at $1, this is possibly an opportunity now. And can't give you financial advice, but even if we drop a little bit further here, or even if we dropped to 30 cents, I think with Crypto.com, this will certainly at some point see that reversal here in the not too distant future, and then we're going to go up much higher from here. Very strong project, really like it, and you can do something with these coins, can't you? You can get you can stake them, get rewards, and you can get this Visa card, for example. There are a few other things that you can do as well. So hopefully you liked that update video about CRO. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.